Daddy some coffee? That is so cool. Alright. You need 2 spoonfuls of this. 1. Ta-da! Good. Get another one. 2. Let's get a tiny little bit more because that last one was small. A little bit more. You gotta really angle it. Like that. There. Okay, okay. Put that one in the cup. Alright. That's enough. Now let's put this lid on. Here. That's enough coffee. Here. Put the lid on. Alright. Nothing to stir yet. You've only got coffee in here. Next step will be the sugar. Here's the sugar. The next step. That's right. Pick the you turn it around so it'll pour out. Now, actually the gravity will open that door for you while you're pouring. It's okay. When you start pouring, the gravity will open it. Alright. It's okay. It'll stay open, darling. When you tip it up, look. See? There! Wow, look at you! You want to pour a little bit more. Just a little bit more. Wait, I want you to hold it. There you go. Oh, that's a good job. Alright, that's enough. Okay, good job. You want to stir that part up? Ready for the hot water part? You ready?
No.
No, I know. The hot water part's scary. Mommy will pour the hot water in. Now let you stir it up. Stir it up a little more. A little bit more vigorously. There you go. Let me get this on the edge there. And then when you stir it, you can stir it like that. Yes, it's very hot. I didn't put quite enough water.
Milk.
Yes, milk is the next step. You're right. I'm going to put just a little bit more water. There we go. Stir that up. Now I'll bring you the milk. Okay. Here's the last step. Hold it this way. It'll pour better, okay? Oh, good. That's enough. All right. Stir that up. Excellent. All right. Now we can put the spoon in the sink. I'll reach over there for you. You got to put the lid on the milk.